Someone stole $500,000 worth of construction equipment from a local business in Greenville. The company says this is unlike any theft they've ever seen before. And 7 News reporter Kirsten Glavin standing by live tonight from Greenville Tractor Co with these new details. Kirsten.
Yeah, well, this is just a whole other level of grand larceny. We're talking some very large machinery stolen. A lot of people at the business here are just blown away that someone could even pull it off.
I got here Monday morning on this dirt pile. I noticed that there were a machine sitting on top of it.
Large equipment can't drive itself.
The machine was sitting right here when we left Friday.
Which is why Andrew Reese knew someone had broken into Greenville Tractor Company over the weekend.
I'm sure that they cut a link.
The chain fence left broken Monday morning when employees came back to work. A compact truck loader moved, but what really hurts, $500,000 worth of equipment stolen.
It's a family-owned dealership, so this is our only location, so it's got a great impact to us, you know. 7
compact track loaders and 1 excavator missing from the property, along with several smaller but expensive accessories.
And we had one like this.
Reese says one of the smaller loaders cost close to 60 grand.
It could be detrimental, you know. It's really sad.
The Greenville County Sheriff's Office catching the thieves on surveillance video from across the street. They say whoever took about $500,000 worth of machinery planned it out and knew exactly what they were doing when they were out there just after midnight Sunday morning.
We know of at least 2 18-wheeler trucks that came and broke into the business using bolt cutters around the fence.
An excavator.
The business optimistic that they can survive the financial hit, but say they're hoping someone saw the 18-wheelers or anything suspicious that can help them get their equipment back.
Any small lead that we could get to recouping this equipment would be very helpful to us, you know.
And we're told a lot of the equipment starts by a universal key. That's how people working here believe thieves were able to make off with some of this machinery by starting it and then putting it into those 18-wheelers.